In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Make.com. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have your Google Drive seamlessly integrated with Make.com. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you want to navigate to the Make.com website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled as Scenarios. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new page that houses all your current scenarios. It's like your personal space where you can create new ones or manage existing ones. Next, we need to create a new scenario. You'll see a button clearly labeled Create Scenario. Go ahead and click on that to start the process. This is the part where you'll initiate the connection between Make.com and Google Drive. In the search bar that appears, type in the word Highlight. This helps you quickly locate the relevant options. Once you see Highlight in the suggestions, click on it. This step is crucial because it sets the framework for the type of action you want to perform with Google Drive. Now, you'll be prompted to select a specific action. In this case, the action you should choose is Uploads a new file. Clicking on this will direct you to the next necessary step, which is to establish a connection between Google Drive and Make.com. To create this connection, you will see an option that says Create a Connection. Click on it, and a new window will appear. This part might involve a few safety prompts based on your Google account settings, so just follow along as it directs you. You'll then need to sign in with Google, which is integral for accessing your Google Drive data. Click on Sign in with Google, and you will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Remember to give the necessary permissions for Make.com to access your files. Once you're signed in, everything starts to come together. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This final click ensures that everything you've done thus far is stored and ready for action. It confirms that your Google Drive is now successfully connected to Make.com and you're all set to automate your tasks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've connected your Google Drive to Make.com. This integration allows you to automate file uploads and manage your Drive files directly from Make.com. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.